without waiting any further, I'll jump right into the project. So my name is Prem. I'm working on this project or build this project for Introduction to Python Programming class, hosted by Professor David Mellon from Harvard on edX. And what I did was I created a Bitcoin trading platform where I have a set of customers with their own accounts set up, and the account file is maintained as a master file called account.csv, sorry, and it has the account number of the individual customers, their names, the currency of the account in which they operate, the balance amount in their accounts, and then the quantity of bitcoins which are also available, and they already have them in their accounts maintained along with their passkey or password to access the account. How the program executes is by calling the um, name, asking for the name of the customer. So I'll start with Paul, the first customer on the list. So I'll enter the name, it gets validated, enter the account, and then finally the passkey. Once these are validated, it'll ask for whether I want to buy or sell Bitcoin or number of Bitcoins. In this case, I would like to sell, so I can specify sale, type in sale, or just enter S, or uh, so it'll accept that value and consider it as a sales transaction. And finally, it'll ask for how much units of Bitcoins from my existing balance I want to sell. And then if I enter 2, it'll execute the sale. Now, how it works is that it'll call the Coinbase API, fetch the latest price of the Bitcoin in the currency of transaction. In this case, it is US dollars, and then execute the sale, give the confirmation of the message of successful confirmation or execution of the transaction. And then it'll also tell us the remaining new balance on the account after the transaction and the Bitcoin balance as well, the quantity of Bitcoins left in the account. Now, what it also does in addition is that apart from updating the master file, it also creates a log, updates the log file with the individual transactions which have been executed for that customer. So over here we have Paul's log file or ledger file, in which we have this latest transaction where we executed a sale of 2 Bitcoins, which were worth $44,977.96, which updated the account balance from 26,000 to approximately 71,000, and then also added removed 2 Bitcoins from the balance. So there were 6 before the sale, and then we sold 2. Now there are 4 left. And finally, in addition, the program also creates a receipt file. So if I look at the receipt file, it'll give us a PDF receipt, and it'll give us the transaction details as well. So with the date of the transaction, the customer name, the customer account number, transaction type, which is sale, currency of transaction, the transaction quantity, and then the amount of which was transacted for that quantity, and finally the account balance, which is in the customer's master account, along with the Bitcoin balance. In brief, this is my final project, and I hope you like it. Please share your feedback. Thank you.